Hey, Room 106, Coach Wiz back here for week 3 of our phys ed class. All right, hope you guys are doing really well. Today, a little bit nicer day, so Coach Wiz has decided to do his fitness outside today. Okay, and so if it's nice, I would recommend you go for a walk, maybe try to get your fitness in outside. If it's too cold or it's raining or snowing, you can always do these exercises inside. All right, so first we're going to start with a little warm up. So I'm going to do 5 arm circles forward. I'm going to do 5 arm circles backwards. All right. And then I'm going to run in place for 30 seconds. Here we go. Let's warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run in place. Okay, now that we're warmed up, we're going to do some exercises today, and I'm going to use this bench over here. All right. If you're inside, you can try to use a sturdy chair or a bench. If you don't have that, then you can modify this by doing the exercises on the ground. Okay. So we're going to start with 5 push-ups using the bench. If the push-ups are a little hard, you can always just hold the push-up position as a plank and count to 5 or 10. But we're going to start with 5 push-ups on the bench. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do 5 step-ups for each leg. Okay, so we're going to do 10 total step-ups on the bench. Very good. And if that is too high, you can always use some sort of crate or an old surface to where you can just step up off the ground and kind of elevate yourself. So you can modify that if the bench or table is a little too high. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do 5 squats where we sit down on the bench and then we push ourselves up 5 times. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to do is you'll need some sort of bag or a backpack, okay? So Coach Wiz has a freezer grocery bag, okay, with loops on the top. That's the biggest thing. You need these loops on the top. A backpack will work great because it has those loops. And you can do a couple different things with this, okay? You can take a bath towel, place it through the hoops, okay? And now you can put a couple books in this bag to make it a little heavier, and we can work on doing 5 curls with this, okay? You could simply, if it's on the ground, you can work on just picking it up off the ground 5 times, all right? Or you can put your backpack on like you're going to school or going home from school when you do that, and it's weighted, all right? And you can do some of the exercises like squats that we just did, or you could do lunges where you have your backpack on and you're stepping out and lunging back and forth. Okay, so the idea is we're making it a little bit tougher for ourselves because we have some weight on our back now, or we're trying to lift that weight. All right, so challenge yourself this week. Try to get outside. If you're able to go for a walk with mom or dad, that would be awesome, that we can get outside and get exercise. If you're inside this week because of the weather or you're not able to get outside, you can try doing these exercises: push-ups, squats, backpack pulls, all right, or lunges. All should work out this week. For our activity for week 2, okay, we're going to continue working on throwing and catching. If you are able to and you have balloons at your house, okay, we want to try to play our keep up game with our balloon. Okay, so you blow up a balloon and you're working on hitting that balloon and then hitting it again before it hits the ground. So why do we use a balloon? Okay, well, the balloon stays in the air a little bit longer than a regular ball, like a volleyball, all right, or a bouncy ball. So the balloon gives us time to, when we hit it, then we can track the balloon coming back down and then hit it again. So it's a really nice game to play for hand-eye coordination. So if you have a balloon, all right, or you're able to get one, that would be a great activity for this week. You could play that inside if you have the room to, or outside. If you're playing outside, you just have to make sure it's not windy so that the balloon doesn't go really far away. All right. Great work this week. Keep it up. I miss you guys. Hope you're all doing well.